Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix Android sound notifications on Vibrate. First, make sure your phone is actually in Vibrate mode. Press the volume button and tap the sound icon until you see the Vibrate symbol. Simply lowering the volume is not enough because some notifications can still make sounds. Next, open Settings and go to Sound and Vibration. Tap Vibrate and Haptics and make sure Use Vibration and Haptics is enabled. Without this option turned on, notifications may stay silent or continue using sound alerts. Another important setting to check is Do Not Disturb mode. If D&D is active, it can override vibration settings. Open Settings, go to Do Not Disturb and make sure notifications are set to No Sound from Notifications or allow vibration only. If only one app is making notification sounds, you need to change that app's settings separately. Open Settings, go to Apps, select the apps such as WhatsApp or Gmail, then tap Notifications. Check the notification categories and disable notification sounds while keeping vibration enabled. You should also check the Prevent Ringing shortcut inside Sound and Vibration settings. Some phones use button shortcuts that can accidentally switch your device back to sound mode. After changing these settings, test a notification and confirm your phone vibrates correctly without playing sounds. Thanks for watching.